Welcome to Auto Story. Join us as we take a ride down memory lane.
How times have changed. But there's no denying the Old West has certainly left its mark. Why, some cars are still using that 100-year-old suspension system you saw on that stagecoach. They're called leaf springs, and you see them on other cars, but certainly not on the 1959 Chevrolet. Here, you'll find a big coil spring at every wheel, just like the ones on the highest-priced cars. Now, these springs explain why Chevrolet's ride is smoother and superior to the stagecoach type of leaf springs. But of course, that's only one example of how really new Chevrolet is. Here's something else a competitor hopes you will do it up. A rear-facing seat. It's roomier and far more comfortable than a wagon with a third seat jammed in as an afterthought. And notice, too, with Chevrolet, there's only one tailgate to close. There's nothing flapping around up here to rattle. And Chevrolet's rear window can be operated in three ways on this Kingswood wagon. By turning this key, by pressing a button on the inside near the seat, or turning the instrument panel switch. But the big point I'd like to make is this. Whether you're interested in a wagon or a regular passenger car, don't settle for anything that's old-fashioned, because in the long run, it'll be worth less when you trade it in. Chevrolet is modern in design, modern in features. That's why more people are buying Chevrolets again this year than any other car. If you know anybody who is thinking of buying a new car, suggest to him that he see a Chevrolet dealer, and he'll thank you for it.
Please,